it's me. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and I'm with another video. And today I bought a fidget pack with some puppets and other fidgets. So I'm gonna unbox them in front of you guys. So let's start. I have my knife and let's see. Okay, and then on this side, and then I'm also done from this side, and then okay. So there's some papers. Let's get them out. So here's the pack. Here's the pack. It's like white. So let's start opening it. Let's start from here. Okay, we have opened it. So here are all the things inside. There's so many things. So let's start unboxing the puppets first. First I have this rainbow. Puppet. Or first we could do this snake. So here's the snake thing. It's like this. It's really cool. It's black and red. Dark red. So now let's unbox this simple dimple. This, and there's also a keychain with it, so you can so this is the simple dimple. It's kind of hard because it's new, but it will be fine in just a few days. There's another simple dimple over here. This one is blue and green, and this one is blue and pink. Let's open this one too. Here's the keychain. Here's the simple dimple. Okay, now here's a pea puppet. Oop, it's kind of slippery. Here's one pea. Wait, I'm gonna show you. These are small. So here's one pea. Oh, this is one pea. The other, and then the other. Okay, so we have some monkey noodles. they stretch too. Then we have this cube that has many buttons on it. It has many buttons on it. Like here's something for rolling and some buttons and like a joystick and this. And this is a pop. This is something to spin. Yeah. Here are some marble meshes. I have 4 of them. First a blue one, a red one, yellow, and green. Now here's a wacky track. It's orange and green. We have also these ring things. There's so many of these rings. Let's just open one. So you just put them like this in your. Put like this in your finger, and then you just roll it down. It's also stretchy. So here's a puzzle ball. This is one of my favorite fidgets. Now we have a bike chain. Asthma. Oh my gosh, that was actually so satisfying. Here's a bike chain. And then we have another wacky track that's orange and blue. And then we have these mochis. These are so cute. I'm gonna introduce them to you. So first, we have a unicorn. Oh my god, it feels so soft. It's a unicorn. Her name is Soph because my best friend likes unicorn, so I'm gonna name her Soph. And then we have a kitty. So open the kitty. Here's another ASMR. This is actually like a pusheen kind of thing. Let's open it. I have my scissors here. Let's use that. Oh, it's already opened. What kind of magic is this? I'm gonna name her Pusheen because she looks like a Pusheen. Camera is not focusing. Okay, and then we have our cat. Let's use scissors to open. This is the cat. She's so stretchy. I'm gonna name her Panda because she looks like a panda. And then the last one we have is this gray cat. I'm gonna name her Cake. Okay, now for the puppet. First, I'm gonna open this rainbow puppet. Oh my gosh, feels so good. Let's do an ASMR. Oh wait, this is not the loud sign. Let's just first do the loud side, then I'm gonna do an ASMR. Okay, now I'm on the loud side. That was so satisfying. Oh my gosh. Okay. And now the heart puppet. This is really big. This puppet is so big. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this puppet is. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Let's do ASMR again, but first I need to pop it until it's on the loud side. It's really hard because it's new. So yeah, ASMR time. Okay, that was really satisfying. And now we have this circle puppet. It's like the heart one, but it's circle. Okay, this one is actually pretty good. This one is not hard like the others, but it's still like a little hard, so that's okay. It's just gonna it's gonna be more satisfying when it's like after a few days. So oh my gosh. Okay, I guess that's it. Oh, I still have a few rings more, but I already showed you. So my favorite one was the Simple Dimple, this unicorn mochi, and this heart puppet. This mochi and this Simple Dimple. I should do an ASMR of all of these again. So first the Simple Dimple. Then this marble. This marble won't make like any sound, but it's really satisfying to like touch. So I think this is all of the fidgets. I hope you enjoyed and you guys were satisfied with me too. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye. I love you all. Bye.